COVID-19 has been an unprecedented event for everyone. The world transitioned to online, working from home, attending school from home, meeting people from home, and taking classes from home. We work in front of computers for long hours without taking frequent breaks. This leads to stress, anxiety, and other health issues. Hello everyone, I am Ankit Maharana. I have created a tool called Take a Break. This tool reminds computer users by voice to take frequent breaks, which helps them to maintain a healthy body and mind. In this project, I have developed the application Take a Break using Python programming language. Let me show you the code of the application. This is the code for the application. Let me share with you the few key libraries I have used. Tkinter. Using this library, we can develop GUIs for the user interface. GTTS. Using this library, we can convert text into speech. Time. Using this library, we can capture system time and do various time calculations. Now, let me show you how the application Take a Break works. Once the app is launched, by simply clicking on an icon for the executable file, it looks like this. Provide two inputs in these fields. How long you are working today? Suppose I'm working for 8 hours today. In how many minutes I need my break reminder? Suppose I need a break every 50 minutes. But for demo purpose, let's say 1 minute so that we can hear the reminder. Then press the start button. Once it starts, you see these notes below. The start time, when the app started by pressing the start button. The end time, when the app will stop based on the number of working hours. The working time remaining for the day, and the time remaining until I get the next reminder. The app runs at background while you continue work in the computer. Till we hear the reminder, let me tell you that the inputs are editable by users at any point of time. Just by pressing stop, editing your inputs before pressing start again. Now, let's wait for a few seconds for the reminder to come.
Hey, it's time for a break. Hey, it's time for a break.
The system had just reminded me to take a break, so I'm taking a well-deserved break. Thank you.